Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 2025 Summer Enrichment Academy here at Yonkers Public Schools. My name is Jamel Scott, Principal of Barack Obama School for Social Justice, and I'll be taking you on a tour of this work. This program is broken up to 3 different cohorts: engineering, CSI, and film. Each program is broken up into 4 separate classes where not only students get the opportunity to have real-world and hands-on experience in building structures, looking at investigations, and also creating their own films, but they also go behind the scenes on the computer and look at what does it take to build a roller coaster, create a film, and also what does it take to solve and investigate a crime scene investigation.
For our project, we had to choose a theme, and our theme was Green Lantern, so we used the scientific method, and there's 7 steps in the method. And so the first track, you have to hold it up. It goes through the funnel into a straight track, a zigzag, custom curve, funnel into a tunnel, mega wide curve, and then stairs into the end zone. We were working on a movie. We were making it about problems going on around the world. So our group, we did it on mental health, like awareness on teenagers, because teenagers deal with a lot of aspects and a lot of perspectives on mental health, which is a big problem also around the world. I really like my friends being around with me, us working together as a team, as a family, as a group. One of the requirements for this program was to make our own crime scene and come up with our own story. So Miss Urena, our ELA teacher, she really helped us to realize that the crime scene is much more than just the scene. This program really is amazing. They really teach us how to tie fun and learning together. And honestly, I think that's what our project really represents. It really is amazing what they do here.